This is the elevator at 29 North Market Street in Asheville. Look at that old heater thing, and look at that mailbox. Wow. You can see where you would drop the mail. There's your directory, and here's the elevator. Otis Lexan. Wow. Look at that old staircase here. It's not here. Ooh, wow. The cab's been redone. Okay, sounds great. There's your lantern and your interlock. It's already wanting to shut. There's your interlock and your lantern. This thing sure wants to shut. Let's go up to 7. Very nice elevator. Wow. 1979. There's your buttons. Going down?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I messed up here.
It's okay. I'm just interested in the elevator. We're on 1. Let's go to 7. COP's at an 88 height. Actually, I think there's a desk. I don't know. Gonna have to be quiet. Let's watch the button go out. There's your lantern, which barely lights up. Jackson Slater has filmed this. Give this beauty one more ride. Here, Classic. Me. Don't shout. Here's your call button. Just some offices. Call button. Can hear the relays. See an intermediate call station. There's an ADA compliant phone in here. Just a few offices. Let's get a close-up of the COP. I love these buttons. Beautiful Otis Lexan fixtures. We're gonna watch one go out. You know what? Just for the heck of it, we'll take one more ride. Hello?
Hello?
Did I?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, I was wondering if Dr. Floyd Campe is still accepting patients at the 645 Patton Avenue in Asheville.
I'm sorry, I do not know that. This is in the elevator. For some reason, the phone is going off.
That's strange.
Yeah.
I'm calling an elevator.
Yeah, you called in the elevator phone, yes. That is so strange. Okay, it's fine. Well, that was weird, but anyways, there it goes. There's your call button. And that's gonna be it.